Wash the clothes, clean the kitchen, buy groceries, make dinner. Every day feels the same. I'm exhausted.
Another busy morning. Breakfast first, then lunches, then school preparations. It's going to be a long day. But I love my family.
5 more minutes.
Ring!
Just a little longer.
David, wake up. Kids, time for school.
Already?
I'm still sleepy. Morning. We need to hurry. These pancakes smell amazing. Can I have more juice?
Where are my office papers?
On the counter. Lunches are ready too.
Thanks.
Ben, don't forget your homework.
Okay.
Emma, your jacket.
Thanks, Mom.
David, your coffee.
Great.
David, can you help tonight? I need some help.
Sure.
Maybe.
Sure. Maybe.
Maybe.
I have a busy day.
Bye, Dad.
Have a good day.
Bye, Mom.
Have fun at school.
See you tonight.
See you.
Finally quiet. But the work isn't finished. Laundry next. Then cleaning. Then shopping. So much to do.
Wash the clothes. Clean the floor. Put things away. Buy groceries later. I'm exhausted. But there's more.
Oh no. Not today. Why now? I need this fixed. David could help. Maybe tonight.
I'm home. Me too.
Long day.
Welcome home.
What's for dinner?
Pasta tonight. David,
Yes?
I really need help.
With what?
With everything.
We'll talk later.
Maybe nobody notices. Maybe nobody understands. I'm so tired. I just wanted some help. That's all. Just a little help. Something has to change. I can't keep doing this alone. I love my family, but I need support too. Before it's too late. Another morning, another long list of chores. I barely slept last night. There is so much to do. I wish someone would notice, just once. David, about last night. You said we would talk.
Sorry, I forgot.
Oh,
Can we discuss it later?
These pancakes are delicious. Thanks, Mom.
you're welcome.
I need to leave soon.
Of course. Like always. Laundry finished, now groceries, then cleaning. Then dinner. The work never ends. Never.
You look tired.
I am tired. Is everything okay? I'm doing everything alone. Have you told David? Many times. Not again. This is impossible. I need help. I really need help. David promised. But nothing changed.
Mom looks sad. I noticed too. Do you think she's okay? Maybe she's tired. We should help her. That's a good idea. Put the books here. I'll pick up the toys. Mom does this every day. That's a lot of work. Let's surprise her. Yes!
Wow.
Do you like it? We cleaned everything.
You did this?
For you.
Thank you, sweethearts.
Long day.
Welcome home.
What's for dinner?
Chicken and rice.
Sounds great.
David, we need to talk.
About what?
About us.
What do you mean?
I'm overwhelmed.
I didn't realize that. But I work all day.
I work all day too.
You mean the house?
The house, the kids, everything.
I didn't think about it that way.
That's the problem. I'm exhausted, David. I feel invisible sometimes. Nobody
Anna.
sees how hard I try.
Anna,
I need a partner, not another responsibility. Maybe everyone needs time to think. Maybe I need some space. Just for a few days. Maybe then David will understand. Maybe then things can change. I hope it's not too late. I barely slept. My mind wouldn't stop thinking. Something has to change. I can't keep pretending. Not anymore. Not like this.
Is everything okay?
I'm fine.
everything's okay.
You both seem sad.
Eat your breakfast, sweetheart.
We'll talk later.
Mom isn't smiling. Dad looks upset too. I don't like this. Me neither. I hope they're okay. Me too.
Clean the kitchen. Wash the clothes. Buy groceries. Make dinner. Every day feels the same. I'm exhausted.
Another meeting. Another deadline. Everyone needs something. This is exhausting. I just want to go home. And rest.
Not again! I can't do this alone. Why does everything happen at once? I asked for help. Nobody listened. Nobody.
I'm home.
You're late.
Work was busy.
Of course it was.
What's that supposed to mean?
Nothing.
You're angry.
Yes, I am.
Why?
Because I feel alone.
You're not alone.
Then why does it feel that way? I cook. I clean. I help the kids. I organize everything. And nobody notices. Especially you.
That's not fair. I work hard too. I provide for this family. I don't sit around all day.
I never said you did.
Then why are you blaming me?
They're fighting. I've never seen this before. I'm scared.
Me too.
I want them to stop.
So do I.
I'm not angry because of chores.
Then why?
Because I don't feel appreciated. I don't feel seen. I don't feel heard. That hurts the most.
What are you doing?
I'm going to my mother's house.
What?
Just for a few days.
Anna, wait.
I need time.
Mom, don't go. Please stay.
I'll be back soon.
Anna,
Think about everything. Good night.
house feels strange. It's so quiet. Anna is really gone. Just for a few days. I can handle this, right? How hard can pancakes be? Oh no!
Dad, is breakfast okay?
Why is everything burning?
It smells funny.
Let's order something.
Where's my homework? I can't find my shoes.
Check your room.
Mom always knows where everything is.
She really does.
Let's hurry.
We missed it. Mom never misses the bus.
I know.
What now?
I'll drive you. Come on.
Ben forgot his project. Deadline update.
What?
Please bring it today.
I'll be there soon. This is impossible. Laundry finished. Wait. Why is everything pink?
Dad! Mom separates colors.
Apparently she does.
I miss Mom. Me too.
She'll come back soon.
The house feels different. It doesn't feel happy.
I know. Breakfast, laundry, school schedules, grocery shopping, cleaning. She did all this every day?
Mom always helps everyone. Even when she's tired, she never complains.
Not much anyway.
You're right. She does a lot. Milk, bread, eggs. What else? Anna remembers everything. How? How? Hi, Anna.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm okay.
The kids miss you.
I miss them too.
She wasn't exaggerating. She wasn't complaining. She was asking for help. And I ignored her. Over and over. I was wrong. Dear Anna, I finally understand. I see everything now. I see how hard you worked. I'm sorry. Truly sorry. I thought providing money was enough. But a family needs more than that. It needs partnership. It needs appreciation. I hope it's not too late. I hope she comes home. This house feels different. Too quiet. Too empty. I never noticed these little things before. Now I notice everything. Especially Anna's absence.
Dad, when is Mom coming home? We really miss her.
I know. I miss her too. Sorry isn't enough. I understand that now. Words are easy. Change is harder. I need to prove it, not just say it. You look exhausted. I deserve it. What happened? I took Anna for granted. Then don't just apologize. Change. Here we go. I hope she'll talk to me. I hope she'll listen. I was wrong. Completely wrong. And she deserves better.
David?
Hi.
What are you doing here?
I came to see you.
Why?
Because we need to talk. I understand now.
Do you?
More than I ever did before. I didn't see how much you carried. And I'm sorry.
That hurt more than you know. I wasn't asking for perfection. I wasn't asking for miracles. I just wanted a partner. Someone who noticed. Someone who helped. Someone who listened.
Mom! We missed you.
I missed you too.
Please come home soon.
It isn't the same without you.
I love you both so much.
Mom does so much. We never realized it. We want to help too. We can do chores.
That's very kind.
I'm proud of you.
Things will be different. Not for 1 week. Not for 1 month. Permanently. We will share responsibilities. Together.
I want to believe you,
I know.
but trust takes time.
I understand.
Actions matter more than words.
You're right.
Maybe we can fix this.
We can.
Really?
Is Mom coming home?
Soon.
Very soon. Tomorrow starts something new. Not because Anna asked, because it's the right thing. Families work together. That's the lesson I learned. And now it's time to prove it. Today is different. No excuses. No waiting. It's time to change. For my family. For Anna. Not burned. That's a good sign. Eggs are ready. Pancakes are ready. Coffee is ready. Much better.
Dad made breakfast? Wow.
What do you think? It smells amazing.
Much better than last time.
Thank you, I think. I made something.
A chart? What's it for?
Family teamwork. Everyone helps, including me.
Mom's here! Mom!
Hello, sweethearts.
We missed you.
So much.
I missed you too. Everything looks different.
We helped. A lot.
We all work together. I can see that.
I'm impressed.
Anna,
Yes?
I'm sorry. Not just for ignoring the chores, for ignoring your feelings. You deserved better.
Thank you. That's all I wanted. To be heard, to be appreciated.
I understand now.
I know.
I'll do the laundry,
I'll clean my room. I'll feed the dog.
I'll cook dinner.
and I'll help with dishes.
Perfect.
This is actually fun. A little fun. A little fun.
Teamwork helps.
It really does.
We should do this more often. Definitely. This feels normal again. Better than normal.
I agree.
Me too. The house feels happy. Really happy.
I learned something important.
What?
Love isn't only words. It's actions too.
That's very true.
Actions matter.
Let's make a promise.
Together.
Together. We'll help each other.
We'll listen to each other.
We'll appreciate each other.
Always.
I finally understand something.
What is it?
A happy family isn't built by one person. It's built by everyone together.
Teamwork!